Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make balsamic vinaigrette dressing. To begin, gather your core ingredients. You will need 1/4 cup of quality balsamic vinegar, 1/2 cup of extra virgin olive oil, 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard, and 1 teaspoon of honey. Also, have 1 clove of minced garlic, a pinch of salt, and a dash of black pepper ready. This simple combination forms the perfect base for a delicious dressing. Now, let's start building our vinaigrette. In your medium bowl, combine the 1/4 cup of balsamic vinegar, 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard, and 1 teaspoon of honey. Next, add your finely minced garlic clove. Whisk these ingredients together vigorously for about 30 seconds. This initial step creates a flavorful and slightly emulsified base for your dressing. The key to a perfect vinaigrette is emulsification. While continuously whisking, slowly drizzle in the 1/2 cup of extra virgin olive oil. Pour it in a thin, steady stream over about 1 minute. This gradual addition helps the oil and vinegar combine into a creamy, cohesive dressing. Keep whisking until the mixture is thick and uniform. Finally, it's time to season your delicious balsamic vinaigrette. Add a pinch of salt and a dash of freshly ground black pepper to taste. Give it one final whisk to ensure everything is perfectly blended. You can serve this versatile dressing immediately over salads, roasted vegetables, or as a marinade. Store any leftovers in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 7 days.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.